Welcome guys, today I'm gonna show you how to prove that 1 equals to 2 and I will show you where is the error. Okay, so 10 minus 10 equals 0, okay, and similarly 20 minus 20 equals 0. So we can write 20 minus 20 equals 10 minus 10. Now we know that 20 equals 4 into 5. So we can take 4 as the common number and we can write 5 minus 5. Okay. Now 10 is equals to 2 into 5. So we can write 2 into 5 minus 5. Okay. Now we can divide both sides by 5 minus 5. Look, here is 5 minus 5 and here is also 5 minus 5. So 4 equals 2. We have just divided both sides by 5 minus 5 and we got 4 equals 2. Now we divide both sides by 2. So 2 equals 1, right? And similarly we can write 1 equals 2. So our proof is completed. Look, can you find out the error? Okay, I'm telling you. There is a property of a real number. What's the property? AB equals BC. If AB equals BC, then we can divide both sides by B and we write A equals C. But there is a condition. What's the condition? The condition is B should not be 0. B should be a non-zero number. Look, we have divided both sides by 5 minus 5. What is 5 minus 5 equals? 5 minus 5 equals 0. So we can't divide both sides by 5 minus 5 because this is 0. So here is the error. Okay, so here is the error that we can't divide both sides by 0. Okay, hope you have got that. Now we are going to proof number 2.
Here we go again. This is the second proof. Look, we know that root over 1 square equals 1, right? And we also know that 1 square equals 1. And we also know that minus 1 square equals 1. So we have written minus 1 square in the place of 1. And you can look, there is a root and there is a square. So I have cancelled out this and just written minus 1. So minus 1 equals plus 1 and we have added plus 3 in both sides. So this is 2 equals 4. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. 1 equals 2. Okay. Can you find the error? Okay, I'm gonna telling you. Look, this is the error. This line is not correct. There is a property of real number is that root over a square equals modulus of a. That's why root over minus 1 square equals modulus of minus 1. That is equals 1, right? Okay, but we have written here root over minus 1 square equals minus 1. So this should be plus 1, not minus 1. So I guess you have got that. So we are going in the next proof. So this is the third and last proof. Look, 0 equals 1 minus 1, and if I add plus 1 and minus 1, this is also 0. So I can add infinite numbers of plus 1 and infinite numbers of minus 1. Okay? Okay. Now look, we can write 0 equals 1 plus, then I will use bracket and these numbers will be in that bracket. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so in that bracket there is infinite numbers of minus 1 and infinite numbers of plus 1. Okay, so as there is infinite numbers of minus 1 and infinite numbers of plus 1, this will be 0. So 0 equals 1 plus 0, right? So we can write that 0 equals 1, and in the last step I will add 1 in both sides. So 1 equals 2. If we add 1 in both sides, then this will be 1 equals 2. So here is our proof. So where is the error? If you know where is the error, then please comment in our comment box. So goodbye.